The producers and distributors of Tech AV technical training aids welcome you to this training program on the subject of working with portable ladders. Portable ladders are used extensively in all sorts of situations and environments. They've been around for many years, and yet each year thousands of injuries occur, primarily because we don't always use or maintain ladders correctly. It is usually after an accident that some attention is given to the topic of safety with ladders. But do we really have to wait for an accident? This is Section 1, in which we shall briefly overview typical ladder types and get familiar with some of the terminology. In this example, we see the simplest ladder type of all, namely a single ladder, also called a straight ladder. The ladder consists of two parallel rails, also called stiles, between which a number of rungs have been attached. The standard spacing between two rungs is 30 centimeters. A ladder's length is considered either by the length of its rails or by the number of rungs it contains. Original ladders were generally made from timber, and although wooden ladders are still available, you will find that most modern ladders are made either of metal, generally aluminium, or from fiberglass. The rungs of ladders may take various shapes and features. The commonest shape is round. Another shape is known as D-section, so called because of the cross-sectional shape that resembles the letter D. The D-section rung is more comfortable to stand on for lengthy periods of time compared to the round section shape. Most modern ladders have grooved or serrated rungs. This feature helps to provide a better foot grip than plain rungs. Most metal ladders have their rungs set through the rails. In some cases, the rungs are easily replaced should they be damaged or worn. Fiberglass ladders may have the rungs attached by way of brackets, such as this example illustrates. Wooden steps are normally rebaited into the rails. A metal rod is used to provide some extra support beneath each step. One of the most important things about rungs is that they must be firmly attached to the rails. If you were to step on a loose rung, you would be on the ground faster than you intended. There are various ladder designs. Let's look at the three basic designs. The first design is one that we've already looked at, namely the straight or single ladder. The next type is known as an extension ladder. An extension ladder is basically two or more single ladders connected together in such a way that one slides and locks upon the other. This type can have one or two extensions, also known as fly sections. Extension ladders may be designed as push-up types or rope-operated. The third type of ladder we shall look at is the step ladder or A-frame ladder. The main feature of this type of ladder is that it can stand up without having to lean against a structure. Step ladders have support legs, which are braced to the main rails using spreaders. The spreaders are designed to lock into position when the ladder is set up, thereby providing a stiffening effect between the rails and the support legs. Another common feature, from which the type originally obtained its name, is that the rungs are flat, like steps on stairways. Step ladders are used when there is no solid or stable structure against which we can place a lean-to ladder. Some step ladders feature a paint tray, upon which a worker can place the roller tray when painting walls and ceilings. To summarize, the three basic ladder designs are straight ladders, also called single ladders, extension ladders, and step ladders, also known as A-frame ladders.